Well, hello everybody. It's your boy Robbie P2, and of course hashtag Robbie P2 family. Please let's check in the comments down below. Welcome to another another episode of hashtag Mukbang Monday, and of course, hey, coming to us from again here from you can tell by the vintage logo from Domino's, and of course now I know yes it is still National Pizza Month. But you know what? Domino's is known for more than just pizzas. So they're also known for, like, breads, pastas, sandwiches, wings, all kinds of goodies. So, and on that two or more for $5.99 deal, we'll review a couple items, do a mukbang and review a couple items here. So now we're starting with their new stuffed cheesy bread, which we're starting with another variety. That is, this time here, I got the one that's stuffed with spinach and feta crumbles, along with like their mozzarella cheese blend as well. We had the bacon and jalapeno one a couple weeks back. That was all right as well. And then we're also going to have a pasta after I consume a few of these breadsticks. So let's try an end piece here. And of course, a little burnt, so that may take a couple, maybe take a couple points off. And of course, seasoned with garlic, so not much spinach and feta at the end. But not to worry, I think we'll have to dig in a little further. Okay, we go a little further is where they have the fillings here. So see a little spinach on there, and the feta cheese in there. So not bad at all. I can definitely taste that spinach. So right now, with this being a little burnt near the edges, which I guess is a signature Domino's thing, but I think Domino's really should work on that. But I feel like being a little generous today, so I want to give 8 out of 10 for the stuffed cheesy bread with the spinach and feta. But now let's try a piece with the included marinara dipping sauce cup. I think give you. Oh wow! Let's see. See. Now they make them pull apart, but now's where it gets a little messy. So. This marinara's good. It's especially more cheese and more spinach toward the center. And also the price. The regular price on these was about $6.49, but of course I got them as part of that 2 or more for $5.99 each offer. Wait, was it $6.49 or $6.99? Let's look on the receipt here. So stuffed cheesy bread, $6.99. Wow. So price is pretty good. And then set the rest aside. Set the rest aside because you know what? I don't want to eat all these breadsticks. There's so many of them. And of course, I got Coke to drink. Because you know, Domino's and Coca-Cola. And then in here, it's not really a pizza, but it's another item on their 2 or more $5.99 menu. It's one of their baked pastas. Let's see here. Sorry for that. So, okay, there. But let's take the label off here. And of course, they already have a few pasta variety specialties already, like chicken alfredo, chicken carbonara, the Italian meatballs, something like that, marinara. And then there's also create your own, where you can choose a sauce, the noodles, and up to 3 ingredients. And I gotta create my own chicken with alfredo sauce, spinach, and mushrooms. And of course, I believe they use the penne noodles, which are the round barrels. There's a better look at it there. Now I know nothing today was really made fresh in the store, but you know, for Domino's, you get what you pay for, and this is pretty good. So it's not like high class Italian. But I do like some pasta. And it's all about throwing it together quickly. Let me see if I can get a bite with chicken. So, you know, just be a little extra generous. I want to give this 8.5 out of 10 as well. So, I mean, Domino's is good. It's got some pretty good everything else, but I gotta say, you know, stick with the pizzas. Matter of fact, it used to be in your name. So. And I paid, well, my regular price for this pasta would have been only $6.49. So two or more items, $5.99 each deal. Woohoo! You know, saved like 50 cents to $1 each of these. I'd say where you get the best deal with that? Pizzas, pretty much. So I gotta say, this like the medium 2 toppings that they have on that deal, they're like almost $10. I would suggest for Domino's though, they should grate this with some fresh grated Parmesan on top of this, and some crushed red pepper. So, and I just ordering these from Domino's. I gotta say, this is a good change of pace. All right, that was a good pasta. Now, for the price, that is. It's everything 8.5 out of 10 today. That's what I rate it. But of course, hey, this is also the mukbang, so we're gonna eat it anyway. All right, here. So, and get all that out of the way. All right, and to you guys for watching this all the way to the end, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. So, for those interested in doing a food collaboration with me, or just want to make a request for future content on this channel, I'll have my contact information in the description, as well as on the About tab of my channel, where it always can be seen. And also, hey, if you're brand new to my channel, please feel free to hit that big red subscribe button. Just smash it, ring that notification bell, turn on all the notifications, help these algorithms out by watching at least a couple minutes of content, and joining all my other existing subscribers, and smashing that thumbs up here. Rate this up here and help to help out the algorithms. Keep the channel alive here. Greatly appreciate that. All right, so excuse me there. So thank y'all so much. And as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay positive. Your boy, Robbie P2, out.